something that kind of changes over time, because once, like, I went through it in the reporting process and the legal process, like, it was hard to see myself as me. And I mean, that means so many different things to different people, but in my sense, like, I didn't recognize myself anymore. I could look in the mirror and be like, well, I look the same on the outside, but inside I was like, what is my worth? Like, who am I? Why did I let this happen to me? It was really hard to recognize that. And as time has kind of passed between when this happened and now, it's almost like redefining myself. Like, what do I like? What do I enjoy? What makes me feel comfortable? Even having to adapt to like social situations again too, where I'm not so standoffish. It's almost like I'm evolving to this whole different person, but it's kind of neat too, because I've been able to rewrite everything too, like, and become the person that I want to be